Have you ever wondered how to do a knit I-cord to give that knit piece that polished look you're going for? My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and let me show you how. First, we're going to begin by using our double pointed needles, the 3.5 millimeter size 4, and we're going to make a slip knot, and then we're going to cast on 4 stitches. So here's 2, counting my slip stitch, or my slip knot, 3 and 4. Now, as soon as you get the hang of working, so normally you would start and your working yarn would be attached to this top stitch right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to slide down to the other point on our double pointed needles and work this stitch. And then what's going to happen is, since the yarn is attached to the bottom stitch, it's going to pull up and create a tube. And that is how the I-cord is made, because the yarn is pulled from the bottom stitch. So this first stitch, you're going to just knit. And when I take it off my needle, I do usually give it a bit of a little tug, more than I normally would. Working to the second stitch, we're going to knit. Third. And then our last stitch there. And whenever I'm making the I-cord, I always give the tail a little tug, and that helps elongate it and really form the cord. So there's our first row. And again, remember, we're going to slide our stitches down to our other side of the needle. The working yarn is attached to this 4th stitch, but we're going to be working this stitch right here. So working this stitch, I'm going to knit, take it off my needle, give it a little tug, working my second stitch right here, knit 1, so that's knit 2 right here, knit 3, and knit 4. And then give the tail a little tug. You can see it starting to form. Let's do one more row together, moving it down to this side of the needle. I'm going to knit this first stitch, take it off the needle, give it a little tug, knit the second one, knit the third, and knit the 4th. And I will show you how to bind off. So I am ready to bind off on my I-cord. So to bind off, you just do it normally. You're going to knit that first one, give it a tug, knit the second one, and then pass that first stitch over the second stitch, just like how you normally bind off. Knit the third stitch, pass the second over the third, and then knit that last stitch and pass the third stitch over the last stitch. And then that's how you secure the tail, and then you just weave it in, and then you can pull it through the center of the I-cord, and that will give you a nice clean finish like this. Wait, before you leave, I have this video right here that I think you will like. It's called the Triple Cord Cardi, which is a free pattern and a full video tutorial, and it uses I-cords.